As you know, we got snow the heck in here. It's been crazy. I shared a shovel, to the whole neighborhood because apparently nobody had a shovel. I bought one of those like garden shovels, so it was perfect for the ice. So it was a community shovel. Super fun, rare thing, but watch your HOA fees go up next year because if you have a snow, people clear snow, part of your HOA, they usually gonna charge more, so they're gonna have to adjust. So watch out for that.